was Mahesh Bhatt's Arth, which was made in 1983. And although I was born in a family that believed art should be used as an instrument for social change, the fact is that when I first started in the film industry, I wasn't really aware of the larger picture, and I was only concerned with my roles in the films that I did. It was after I worked in Arth and it got resounding success both commercially and artistically that something changed forever. I had women walk into my home not as fans to star, but in sisterhood, expecting me to resolve all their marital conflicts. Now the thing is, I was merely an actor and I had done my job, and so it took me completely by surprise. But that was the beginning of my journey with the women's movement. And what I really should have started doing much earlier, I truly realized that audiences often mistake or can make no difference between the character that you play and the person that you actually are. And now it is very heartening that 30 years later, I still have women coming in and telling me how Arth was the one transformational experience in their life. What is interesting is when the film was made and distributors were watching it, they said it's a very good film, but you have to change the end. It is simply not acceptable to Indian audiences that a wife, that an Indian husband says sorry to a wife and yet she doesn't take him back. Mahesh Bhatt and myself insisted that under no circumstances were we going to change that end, and that was the reason we had made the film. And of course, when the film was released in the theaters, it met with huge success. And that made me aware once again that oftentimes filmmakers are out of sync with what the audiences are ready for. Many times it happens that audiences are ready for change. And what is very heartening now is that change I see very visibly in the portrayal of our women protagonists in mainstream Hindi cinema, which I think has been a huge change.
I want to ask you though that, on the issue of the relationship of marriage, which is what, Arth looked at, do you find that today Hindi cinema though still plays it rather safe? And there are very few films which would dare to have an ending like that today, because at least from whatever Hindi movies I've seen, there is a sense that they tend to be more traditionalist in their approach. Do you feel that too?
I think that is changing. See, a film really is geared to audiences. The insistence earlier to cater to the lowest common denominator and so play it safe, so that the intention of making a film is that it should do very well in CPC, Bihar and in the metropolitan cities, that has changed. With the advent of the multiplexes, it has become possible to make films that are targeted to one section of the audience and yet be able to recover your expenses. And that has led also to a change in the way these things are portrayed. If you see Shaadi ke side effects,